Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put s on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. E to the power of ln s equals to s. So I need to change this one into e to the power of ln s. Now we have integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Similar for this one. The s over s we change by du. Now we have the second formula in here. Sine u equals to e to the power of iu minus e to the power of negative iu over 2i. I is mean about imaginary unit. So I will put this one go in here. Now about 2i I will put outside. E to the power of u multiplied by e to the power of iu and e to the power of negative iu. We will have about iu minus e to the power of u minus iu. And now we need to divide this one into two iterations in here. The first one and the second one. Now I will go to the first one. We have u and u. We can do about factorization. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to u 1 plus I. Because we still have u in here, so we need to divide both sides by 1 plus I. Now we need to do first derivative for this one in here. So we have dz equals to 1 plus I du. Because we don't have 1 plus I next to du, so we need to divide both sides by 1 plus I. This one we change by z. U we change by this one. Du we change by this one. Now if we simplify and we just have e to the power of z over s over z dz. The integration of this one, we have exponential integration of z, and we put about c. About z, that's about this one. Now you can do similar for the negative. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then we put about C. About U, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.